Today we'll talk about how can you select, how can see your photo on your Waplog app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on privacy settings, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on who can see my photos here, just click on it, and here can you select who can see your photos on your Waplog app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.